In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Surfshark on Linux. We'll keep it straightforward. We'll head to Surfshark's website in your web browser, open the download section, grab the Linux files, and then install them on your PC. That's all you need to do, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to the official Surfshark website. Using the official site is important to make sure you're getting the latest, safe version of the app. Once you're on the homepage, look for the area that lists the apps for different platforms. It's usually labeled Downloads, Apps, or Get Surfshark. Next, click into the Downloads section and choose Linux. You'll typically see a couple of installer formats. If your system is based on Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Debian, you'll want the .db package. If you're on Fedora, CentOS, or OpenSUSE, go with the .rpm package. Most modern systems are 64-bit, so select that unless you know you're on something different. Now download the Linux file that matches your distribution. When your browser asks what to do, choose Save File and let the download finish completely. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder. If the file name looks long or includes a version number, that's normal. Don't rename it while it's downloading. With the file ready, it's time to install it on your PC. You can double-click the downloaded file to use your software installer, or install from the terminal if you prefer. On Ubuntu, Debian, or Mint, open a terminal in the Downloads folder and run sudo dpkg, followed by the file name. If the system asks for your password, type it and press enter. If you see a message about missing dependencies, run sudo apt-af install to fix them automatically. On Fedora or similar, run sudo dnf install followed by the .rpm file name and confirm when prompted. The installer will place everything where it belongs. When the installation finishes, you're done. You'll find the Surfshark app in your Applications menu, ready whenever you need it. And if something doesn't look right, simply re-download from the Downloads page and try the install again.